Trouble getting your grilled chicken to cook evenly? Learn my way using a Cornish game hen and garlic herb butter. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're still here at our outdoor kitchen in the upstate mountains of Pennsylvania. So, like I usually tell you guys, bear with us if there's some outside noise. You know, dogs barking, birds chirping, the occasional golf cart zooming by. So today we have a little bit of a crowd with us, and I'm going to be making for dinner tonight Cornish Game Hens. Now that sounds kind of scary, doesn't it? What is a Cornish game hen? This is a Cornish game hen. It's just a little chicken, nothing fancy at all. Now they usually come packaged like that, and there's usually 2 to a package, and you know all the big brands do them, Purdue, Tyson, they all make them. And you can usually find them in the freezer section. They're really great. They're great for dinner parties because it's 1 hen per person. So today we're going to be doing them on the grill. Now because this is a whole bird, I'm going to show you a little different way to prepare it. It's called spatchcocking. Again, it's a big scary term, isn't it? But it's really, really easy. So let's get started. So I have my little hen here and I've just dried it off. I'm going to flip him over. So we have the breast, and the wings, and the legs, like you normally do. We're going to turn them upside down. And then here, where the little poke's nose is, right in the center, is the backbone. We're going to take some sharp kitchen shears and cut out that backbone. And we just have to cut on either side of it. Just follow it down. It's very easy. Now you can do this with game hens, you can do this with chickens or ducks or geese or turkeys. Now, there's the backbone. And don't say, ooh, I can't do that. You can do that. And don't throw this out. This will make a great stock. But I'll just put it aside for now. Alrighty, now we have this bird without a backbone. We're going to flip him over, spread him out, give him a little push, and there might be a little crack. Now you have this evenly thickness bird spread out. What does that do for you? That makes cooking it a lot easier because on the grill, it's all the same thickness. It's going to cook more evenly. Simple. Now what I like to do to help it hold the shape is use some metal skewers and just go right through the leg and through the body on across, just like that. One that way, one this way. Now this will just help it all hold the shape while you're grilling it. Now you don't have to use metal skewers, you can use wooden ones, but you'd have to soak them. I prefer the metal. Besides, the metal is also going to heat up and help cook the bird from the inside out. Now it's time for seasoning. Start on the bottom side, a little salt and pepper. And you notice, as always, I have my salt and pepper in little dishes because now they're going to get contaminated and they're going to get tossed. Good amount of pepper. Alrighty, flip him back over. Now we're going to go a little step further. I have some compound butter here, garlic and herb, and hopefully you saw the episode, the very recent episode where we made this butter. This is garlic and parsley and butter. I'm going to take a couple pieces of this and I'm going to put it under the skin on the breast. You've seen chefs on TV do this. Maybe you've done it yourself. Just put your finger under the skin, open up a little pocket, and then you put that butter right in there on each side. All right. Okay. Now a little salt and pepper on this side. liberally because you're going to lose it on the grill. All right. Now we're ready to go on the grill. I've got my grill heating up. So stick with me. You're not going to just throw this on the grill and let it go. I'm going to show you a little different way that's going to help it cook evenly all the way through. Come with me. All right, here we are. It's time to grill. So the first thing we want to do is oil down our grill. Now I have a kitchen towel that I've sacrificed. I've just put it into some neutral oil, like canola oil actually. I'm just going to take some tongs, rub it back and forth on the grill grates just to make sure nothing sticks. Sacrificed. Now this hen, I'm going to put this bone side down. Just like that. Why? Because the bones are going to heat up first. It's going to ensure the bottom and that dark meat get cooked. And the metal skewers are also going to heat up and help cook through. Now while that's cooking, that butter is going to start to melt and baste that bird. So let's close the grill. We'll come back in a little bit and we'll flip it to sear that skin. We want to cook this to an internal temperature of 160 degrees. All right, let's check our bird and see if it's time to turn. Wow, look at that. So the bottom is cooking nicely, getting nice and brown. And what's happened is that butter that we put under the skin is melted down. It's getting into the breast meat, so it's basting it. So let's give it a turn. I wish you could smell the garlic. Beautiful. So I'm going to cover this. I'm going to turn the grill down low, which will cook the skin and sear it, and it will allow that butter to keep cooking, and we'll avoid some flare-ups. Next up is the tasting. Alrighty, here we are. My chicken is off the grill. We've got some beautiful skin, nice and crispy, and we took the skewers out and we let it rest for about 10 minutes. So let's just take this little wing off. Get it out of the way. We'll eat that later. I'm going to cut into this breast meat. Wow. Wow. It's juicy. It's tender. It's full of garlic. It's foolproof. I can't describe. I wish you were here to smell this and taste this. So this chicken is perfectly cooked. Now you might, when you hit the bone, see a little red, and that's just because it's a young chicken. This measured at 165 degrees, which is perfect. And I want you to make this because it's so easy and so delicious. So that's our wrap up. That's our Cornish game hen with garlic herb butter, spatchcocked, done on the grill. Simple and beautiful. Now that's all the time we have today. I hope you'll join us again next Tuesday at 7. Now remember, you can see us any old time you want at youtube.com/Let's Celebrate TV. And on there, you'll also get the recipe because we always put our recipes up in the comments section. And always, subscribe, guys. Keep subscribing. We love it. And follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Let's Celebrate TV. Write in and tell me, have you cooked Cornish Game Hens? Would you try this recipe? We love hearing from you all. So thank you so much for joining us. I'm Peter Lee. See you next Tuesday at 7. Cheers. Except I'm going to go be alone with my chicken now. I'll see you later.